If this comes out in WAEC or JAM 2026, what will you do? 24 divided by 6 plus 2 multiplied by 5. 24 divided by 6 will give you what? 4. Plus 2 multiplied by 5. 4 plus 2 will give you what? 6. Multiplied by 5. 6 times 5 will give you what? 30. But you are wrong. These are BODMAS mistakes. Yes, they are BODMAS mistakes. So let me put you through how you can solve this kind of problem. Now, following your BODMAS rule, when this kind of problem, when you encounter this kind of problem, what you have to do is calm down and follow it one after the other. So 24 divided by 6 will give you what? 4. Because according to BODMAS rule, BODMAS says that you have to first of all do the division before you multiply, and finally you add. So you don't have to add before you multiply, you have to follow the rule. So 4 plus 2 times 5 from BODMAS. Next thing you have to do is multiply. So 2 multiplied by 5 will give you what? 10. Plus 4. 4 plus 10 will give you what? 14. So the right answer to this particular problem is 14. This is BODMAS Mistakes, episode 3. Follow for episode 4 so that you won't miss our next class. This is where most students make mistake. You have to understand this question very well. It says, simplify 4 squared plus 6 multiplied by 5 minus 3. So you have to first of all do this one first, followed by this one then finally this. This one first, bracket second. Multiplication will be the third, and addition will be the last. Don't say that I did not tell you, so that you will not lose your free mark, your easy mark. BODMAS is easy mark to get. If you don't know it today. So 4 squared will give you what? 16. Second one will be the bracket. 5 minus 3 will give you what? 2. 6 multiplied by 2 will give you what? 12. 12 plus 16 will give you what? 28. So the right answer to this particular problem is 28. If you didn't get 28, know that you are getting it wrong. But meanwhile, let me know what your answer is in the comment section.